In a humble corner of the world, a young man named Adam was born into a life of struggle. His days were filled with hardship, his family's means limited. His father, a tireless farmer, worked dawn to dusk, yet their financial situation remained bleak. Yet, within Adam, a dream took root. A dream of entrepreneurship, of success beyond the barren fields. His mind was a fertile ground for innovation, his spirit indomitable. But poverty cast long shadows, and Adam hesitated. Yet, he refused to let his dream fade away. With every spare moment, he learned about business, entrepreneurship. He read, attended workshops, and his resolve hardened. Slowly, he began to shape his destiny. As he grew, so did his ambitions. He started small businesses, weathered failures, and learned. His determination unwavering, he pressed on. And then, success. His innovative ideas caught the attention of investors, mentors. He built a thriving business empire from the dirt of his past. Adam became a beacon of resilience, of success. Adam's journey from poverty to prosperity stands as a testament to the power of dreams and the strength of determination. A reminder that with unwavering resolve and relentless pursuit of dreams, the impossible becomes possible.